Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open some kind of music application on our phone. It could be YouTube, Tidal, Spotify, or whatever you like. I'm gonna open YouTube. As you can see here, we have a playlist. And now, to control the music on our phone, we need to wake up the watch by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Then tap on this icon right here to open the list of every app on your watch. Scroll through this list and find the player icon. Looks like this, the music note. Tap on it to open the player, and here we can control the music on our phone. We can tap on play to play the music. Oh, I forgot to mention, you can basically use your watch as speaker. So if you open the quick panel and tap on this icon right here, you can enable your watch to be a speaker. If you disable it, you won't use it as a speaker. So by default it should be disabled, and if you try to control the music on your phone, it will be playing from your phone instead of the watch, and you can press play pause to pause and play the music. You can tap on next to go to the next song, tap on back to go back to the song. You can tap on the speaker icon right here to adjust the volume, but for some reason it's not working with the when you're playing the music on your phone. I don't know why, but it should be working, in I think, at least. Okay, and once you turn your watch into a speaker, so open the quick panel, enable this option, go back to the player on your watch, you will hear the music from your watch, and you can again play, pause, next, previous, and now you can adjust the volume if you want, like this, and then you can go back. Okay, you can also add the player or the music controls to favorites. So basically, once you're on the home screen, you can swipe left and this will open the favorites menu, and here we can tap on this plus button, scroll down through the list, find the music player to add it, and tap on it to add it. And now when you swipe left on the screen, you should see your player, and you can again adjust or control the music right here from this menu. You don't need to open the menu and then find player icon and tap on it. Basically, that allows you to access the player quicker. And basically that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.